The future of shopping, why Amazon reviews matter. We live in a digital world. People buy everything online. And guess what? Before they hit that buy now button, they check the reviews. Amazon reviews are huge. They can make or break a product. That's where you come in. By starting an Amazon review channel, you can become a trusted voice. You can help people make informed decisions, and you can build a real business around it. Think about it. People trust other people. They want to see real experiences. That's why video reviews are so powerful. You can show the product in action. You can share your honest thoughts. This is the future of shopping, and you can be a part of it. So, are you ready to crush it? Let's dive in. This is your chance to build a personal brand, connect with your audience, help them navigate the world of online shopping. It's a win-win. You get to share your passion for products, and you get to earn money doing it. But remember, authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be yourself, be passionate, and the rest will follow. Launching your review channel, a simple setup guide. Starting your Amazon review channel is easier than you think. First things first, you need a YouTube account. It's free and easy to set up. This is where you'll upload your awesome review videos. Next, choose a catchy channel name. Make it memorable, something that reflects your niche or personality. Now, it's time to design your channel. Keep it clean and inviting. Use a clear profile picture and banner image. Tell people what your channel is all about in the About section. Keep it concise and engaging. Let viewers know what they can expect from your channel. Don't forget to add your social media links. You want people to connect with you everywhere. Pick a niche. What are you passionate about? Tech gadgets, beauty products? Find your thing and own it. Focus on products you genuinely love and use. Now for the fun part, creating content. Lights, camera, action, creating engaging review videos. Creating captivating review videos is crucial. Start with a strong intro. Grab viewers' attention in the first few seconds. Introduce yourself and the product you're reviewing. Show the product from different angles. Highlight its key features. Demonstrate how to use the product. Show its pros and cons. Be honest and transparent. Share your personal experience. Did the product meet your expectations? Would you recommend it to others? Keep your videos concise and to the point. People have short attention spans. Aim for videos that are around 5 to 10 minutes long. Use high-quality lighting and sound. Nobody wants to watch a dark and muffled video. Edit your videos like a pro. Cut out any unnecessary footage. Add background music and transitions. End your videos with a clear call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Encourage them to check out the product link in the description box. Finding your audience, marketing your Amazon review channel. You've created awesome videos. Now it's time to get them seen. Share your videos on all your social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Join Facebook groups and online communities related to your niche. Become an active member. Share your expertise. And don't be afraid to promote your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Reach out to creators in your niche. Offer to do joint reviews or shoutouts. Cross-promote each other's channels. This is a great way to tap into new audiences. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. Make it easy for people to find your content. Track your analytics. YouTube provides valuable insights into your audience's demographics and viewing habits. Pay attention to what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and keep creating amazing content. Turning views into cash, monetizing your channel. Once you've built a decent following, it's time to monetize your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos, but don't rely solely on ads. Explore other monetization avenues. Become an Amazon associate. Include affiliate links to the products you review in your video descriptions. When viewers click on your links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You're providing valuable recommendations, and you're getting rewarded for it. Explore sponsored content opportunities. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for sponsored reviews or product placements. Remember to disclose any sponsored content. Transparency is key. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider offering consulting services or creating your own digital products related to your niche. The possibilities are endless. Staying real. The importance of authenticity and transparency. In the world of online reviews, authenticity is paramount. Viewers can spot a fake from a mile away. Be genuine, be yourself, and be honest. Share your true opinions about the products you review. Don't be afraid to highlight both the good and the bad. People appreciate honesty. Disclose any sponsorships or affiliate links. Transparency is crucial for building trust with your audience. Don't try to be someone you're not. Let your personality shine through. Connect with your viewers on a personal level. Share your story. Share your passion. People buy from people they like and trust. Remember, your reputation is everything. One dishonest review can ruin your credibility. Focus on providing value to your audience. Offer honest insights. Help them make informed purchasing decisions. Authenticity is the key to long-term success. Build a brand that people can trust. Leveling up tools and software to boost your channel. Want to take your Amazon review channel to the next level? Invest in some essential tools and software. First up, a good microphone is crucial for clear audio. People need to hear you clearly. A decent camera is also a must-have. You don't need a fancy DSLR. A smartphone camera can work just fine. Use video editing software to polish your videos. There are plenty of free and paid options available. For screen recordings, use a screen capture tool. This is especially helpful for reviewing software or digital products. Consider using keyword research tools to find popular search terms related to your niche. This will help your videos get discovered. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. Invest in some affordable lighting equipment to brighten up your videos. Use social media scheduling tools to plan and schedule your content in advance. This will save you time and effort in the long run. Remember, the right tools can make a huge difference in the quality and reach of your videos. Engaging your audience by building a community around your reviews can significantly boost your channel's growth. Encourage interaction by asking questions in your videos. Ask viewers for their thoughts on the product you reviewed. Respond to comments and messages promptly, showing your audience that you value their engagement. Host live Q&A sessions to connect with your viewers in real time, answer their questions, and address their concerns. Create contests and giveaways to reward your loyal followers. This is a great way to boost engagement and attract new subscribers. Collaborate with your audience. Ask for their product suggestions for future reviews, and feature viewer reviews or shoutouts in your videos. Making your audience feel heard and appreciated fosters a sense of community. Remember, a strong community can become your biggest advocates. They'll be more likely to share your videos, engage with your content, and become loyal fans. Building a successful Amazon review channel takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Stick to a schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a month, and let your viewers know when to expect new content. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats like product comparisons, unboxing videos, or tutorials. Keep an eye on the latest trends in your niche, stay ahead of the curve, and adapt your content accordingly. Promote your channel on other platforms and don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm. Network with other creators, attend industry events, and never stop learning and growing. The online world is constantly evolving. Embrace change and stay adaptable. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Not everyone will love your content, and that's okay. It's impossible to please everyone. You're going to encounter negative comments and trolls. Don't take it personally. It's important to develop a thick skin. Address constructive criticism gracefully. Thank viewers for their feedback, and acknowledge any mistakes or oversights. If a comment is blatantly hateful or spammy, ignore it or delete it. Don't engage with trolls, it will only fuel the fire. Focus on the positive, engage with your supportive followers, and thank them for their encouragement. Remember, you can't please everyone, and that's okay. Stay true to yourself and your values. Don't let negativity bring you down. Focus on creating high-quality content for your loyal audience. Starting an Amazon review channel is an exciting opportunity. You can become a trusted voice in the online shopping world, help people make informed decisions, and build a thriving business around your passion. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, be passionate, and provide value to your audience. Create high-quality, engaging videos that people will love. Market your channel effectively, and monetize your content strategically. It won't happen overnight, but with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of hustle, you can achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? The future of shopping is here, and you can be a part of it. Start creating today. Now go crush it.